Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Hunter from Shanghai Science Food Company. Today I'm going to introduce you a chocolate production line which can produce chocolate product 1 ton per hour, and it could not only make chocolate chips but also make chocolate gems. And this mainly consists of 3 parts: chocolate processing and foaming and the cooling system. You can see here are 4 chocolate tanks. They are for storing white chocolate, white compound chocolate, dark chocolate, and dark compound chocolate. They are for melting the chocolate material, and we can check the tank inside. You can see here are Teflon coated scraper which can guarantee the food safety, and they are controlled by the WEG motor here. And for each chocolate tank, you can see here are 4 heating tubes for heating the chocolate material, and here is a temperature sensor for you to detect and control the temperature of the chocolate material. And here, this is a circulation pump for circulate the water of the insulation tank. This is insulation tank for heating the water. This is a level liquid ball for you to detect and control the level of the water in here. And below is a heating tube to heating the water of the tank. And here, this is a valve to control the flow of the chocolate material, and that one can suck the iron blocks of the chocolate liquid. This chocolate production line is for making pure cocoa butter, so we have a tempering machine here. The 3 temperature zones of the chocolate tempering machine have the below functions. First is for prevent the chocolate melt at a room temperature, and the second, you can improving the appearance and taste of the chocolate, and the third is extending the shelf life of the chocolate product. And after that, we come to the foamy part of chocolate. 2 are for making chocolate chips. The second one is for making chocolate gems. We have 2 depositors here because our customer wants to make 2 sizes of chocolate chips. The first is for making 11mm, and the second is for making 22mm chocolate. Here is for making the chocolate gems. The chocolate syrup will be transferred in the up, then into the circular rotors, and the rollers will rotate. Then the chocolate gems will be formed. And here comes to the final part, the cooling tunnel. The freezer is double layers. We can check. The device can prevent the cold air to directly contact with the chocolate, so it can reduce the food contamination. This one is a cantilever touch screen for you to control the depositing part. You can see. And we can set 3 different languages in the touch screen. And after that, this is a small control box to control the Rotas. Please check. And here you can see we have 1, 2, and the final here we have 3 control blocks to control the cooling tunnel here. You can control the fan and the chiller and the conveyor and the defrost indicator and the dehumidity indicator here. My introduction of this product line is finished. Please contact me if you are interested. See you next time. Bye.